Hello guys, welcome to my channel RGamer, and as we know, we got the LR Super Saiyan Blue Kaioken Goku and Sparking Topo. So we are not going to waste our time and just summon on them. Let's see what we what will we get from the first rotation. Okay, green skies, bad, bad. This is just bad. And yeah, guys, if you have watched my previous summoning video, you know that I got the LR 117 and the golden freeze. I mean golden LR 117 and golden freezer in 1k cc. So this time I'm not going to get the LR unit or sparking unit that easily, because I have already used all of my luck in 117 and freezer summon. So I am not hoping that I will get the LR Kaioken Goku or SP Topo that easily. But if I get the, if I will get any, if I will get a single copy of Sparking Topo, then I'm okay. I won't summon for LR Kaioken Goku. Yeah, because I have already got Golden Freeze and 117, and I am using the Jiren, transforming Jiren, the yellow one, and its unique equipment is very good, and damages are good. Yeah, so I am okay with that. But I am summoning for Kaioken Goku because I like his background aura. First Super Saiyan Blue, then the Kaioken Red aura. Yeah, that's why I'm summoning the LR Kaioken Goku, and also because I don't have any purple legend character. The first purple legend character was Super Vegito, and that saved me very bad. Yeah, and the second one I didn't summon for it. It was very bad. It was very bad. Legend Super Saiyan 3 Goku, the purple one. I don't know why they made them. Yeah, I think the developers just wanted us to spend our money on that unit, but I skipped that. I skipped that bad. So okay. And yeah, I'm sorry if I made any grammatical mistakes. I will make some grammatical mistakes because I am nervous, because I am giving voice first time in my video. So yeah, let's see. So guys, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe it, and if you like the video, please like and share it. So we have wasted 3k SAC and got nothing, not a single copy of Sparking Topo, and not a good animation. We got back to back 3 green rotation, green skies, not this one. Finally we got the red skies and the Dragon Balls. Let's hope. Yes, Spirit Bomb Goku. I think it will give me the SP Topo, the sparking unit, something good. And also guys, comment on comment section how were your summons. Yeah, or did you get LR Kaioken Goku or Sparking God of Destruction Topo or not? If you like, you can comment, or I am not gonna say. And okay, Legend Limited Blue Bros, which is not usable now. So basically we got the trash unit. Yeah, where was I? If you like to comment, you can comment. I'm not gonna force you. I don't, because I also don't like to comment on any video, or I don't force people to do that. Okay, so, and also sorry if I hurt with my words, sorry for that. But yeah, if you like it, You can comment of the question. Let's see. Super Saiyan Blue Goku, Golden Frieza, Sparking Moon. Okay. So we got Golden Frieza, but we are not getting Sparking Topo. Why? Why, Tani? Why? Give me the answer. Why? Hmm. It is also waste. It was also a waste. चलो देखे. Third rotation. So guys, we have got only 5k cc left. Let's see. Something good will happen or another green sky. Another green sky. I mean, come on, yaar. What did I do to Tani? Huh? Back to back green skies. Nothing good. Not a single copy of Topo. Okay, Super Saiyan Blue Kaioken. I mean, Super Saiyan Blue Goku. Is this the one? Is this the one? Let's see. Let's Sparking Jiren. Okay, it's okay. Decent one. At least we got something good. We got something good. Yeah, so I take it. Sparking Super Saiyan to Vegeta, which is also a trash unit. So we have wasted, I mean I have wasted 5k cc. What I got was Legend Limited Blue Bros and Jiren. The Jiren is okay because he got his unique equipment, so he's good. Not just good, his damages are pretty good. Yeah, whether you strike, whether you blast, or whether we are talking about his special move, they are just good. Massive damage. Yeah, they give the massive damage. So I mean Sparking Jiren is doing good. I am not saying because I saw this in the video or I watched it in the YouTube, because I generally use Jiren with Legend and Android 17 and Golden Frieza, and with the 7th anniversary unit Hit and Super Saiyan God Goku Legends Limited one. So it's okay. I mean, okay with the Jiren, but at least I deserve a single copy of Topo. Not giving me the single, not giving me any copy of Topo. That's some great work by Tani. I mean, come on, 9k cc and you don't get any single copy of Topo. You know what does that feel? I mean, well, how does it feel? You know that. You guys already know that. Because as an F2P, how we collect the CCs, that is the big problem. Yeah, we don't buy any CC, we just collect it, completing the missions, and after completing the mission, we collect some specific amount of CC and we spending it or using them to summon the new banners, and what we get are trash units. What we get is trash units. So okay, finally Wiz animation, something good animation. Let's see a Wiz animation. I think this is it. We are going to get, LR Cartoon Goku or Sparking Topo. I mean the new Sparking Topo. Legends Limited. Again, man, it's Blue Bros. I think Tani just really hurts me. I think he was keeping an eye on me. He saw me. I got the LR-17 and a Golden Frieza in 1k cc, so he is taking the revenge. Why didn't I buy the CC? And I will not buy the CC because I am an Indian. Spending money on game, that's not my thing. Yeah. Okay, pots, stars. I think we are going to get something good. Good animation. Okay, blue text. Okay. Nah, I did. I am doing this because I think I will get Cell Max animation, but I am thinking that I won't. So let's release it. Again, Waze. No, it's Vegeta. Super Saiyan Vegeta. If it's Super Saiyan Blue Vegeta, then it's guarantee a feature character. But I don't think I will get anything good. Yeah, we know that. We know that. Sparking Kai. So I am getting Shen. I mean Supreme Kai, Legend Limited, Blue Bros, Jiren, but not a single copy. Again Jiren, not a single copy of Sparking Topo. Why? This game really hurts me. I think now. Yeah, this game really hurts me. Now I'm feeling very sad. Come on, man. Spending this amount of. Okay, okay, okay. Nimbus, Super Saiyan Blue Vegeta. Okay. Now this guarantees a featured character. Sparking Topo, I think. Legends Limited Blue Bros. I mean, come on, man. How many Blue Bros we will get? Come on, yeah. Just give me a break. Finally, we got a single copy of Topo. Finally. But at what cost? Huh? At what cost? Spending 7k cc just for one single copy of Topo? Wow. So I have left only 2k cc. I'll use them. Let's see. I will get something good or I will get shafted this time. I think I will get shafted. Blue sky pod. I mean blue sky pods. Is this it? Broly. Come on, Broly. Broly. No Broly. It's just a simple Kamehameha animation. Okay, Kamehameha clash. I mean Kamehameha and Frieza's clash. Okay, let's see. Legends Limited Blue Bros. Come on, yeah. You also have Legends Limited transforming UI Goku. I mean Legends Limited Super Saiyan Blue Vegeta Evolve. You can give me these units also, but nah, you are giving me the shit unit. You are giving me the shit unit. Last hope. Let's see. I think I am done. I am done. I am getting shafted this time. I think so. Bye, Sob. Jiren and Gogeta summon. Now I can say it was worth the wait. It was worth the wait. I mean, come on, man. Spending 9k cc for the Jiren and Jiren versus Gogeta animation. I'll take it. I am taking it. Now I got both of them. Yeah. So now you know how were my summons. So if you like to comment, so please comment on the comment section. Did you get any unit from Kaioken as I mean, I want to say, how were your summons, or did you get LR Kaioken Goku or SP Toko or not? So yeah, this is it. So thanks for watching, guys, and let's see what will we get from the free steps. So yeah, this is it. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and again I am sorry if I have done any grammatical mistakes or said something wrong words. So again I am sorry. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.